Morning, everyone. It's 8:35 on this Monday morning, June the 5th, and your market is sharply unchanged. Hope everyone had a good weekend. This is video number 1781. Okay, over the weekend news, we had OPEC, um, most looking at keeping production where it is. The Saudis cutting about a million barrels a day. So that's somewhat bullish. And as you can see on the screen, the oil is up $1.82, although it was up over $3 early in yesterday evening's. It actually opened practically at the high at 75.03 for the evening session last night of the electronic market. Um, Heating oil up 4.3, gasoline up 5.6, even lowly natural gas up about 9 cents. So, excuse me, a better look now. Asia was slightly higher, Europe starting slightly higher. Um, a lot of Europe and Asia both missed on PMI between the end of last week and here. Um, and those stocks, as I said, are a little higher. So I'm assuming that the EU will lay off rates for a while and send stuff up. Day one, DAWN, one that I um, can't remember the last time that I saw it. In fact, I'm not sure that I've ever seen its name actually in the news, is strongly higher this morning. Closed at 1360. It's been as high as 1889. Last is 1696. That's up 336. And that is based on uh, one of their drugs moving through. It's called Day 101. And there's an NDA to the FDA for relaxed or progressive uh, pediatric low grade glioma, GLIOMA. So that's good news there. Um, we also have a name that I haven't seen in quite a while, and that's KKR. KKR, Colin Kravitz and I can't even remember, Roberts, uh, were really the biggest users of the LBO, the first and the biggest users of the LBOs. Um, 30 years ago, actually 40 years ago almost. In any event, they are taking CIR, which is Circo, and they're paying $49 for it to take it over. The stock closed at 31.67 on Friday, and that was up $2.50 or just under 8.5%. It's up there at 47.31, and that is up 15.65 or 49.5%. Another one, excuse me, with a drug, timber, TMBR. Um, Everybody's been downplaying the biopharma area, and it has lagged a bit, but it's not unusual on Monday mornings to see one or two of them disappearing. Timber closed. This is a baby. Uh, it closed at 149 yesterday, and it is been as high this morning as $3.20. The last on it is 278, up 129 or 85%, and they got a waiver from the FDA on a treatment for a dermatological uh, product, and 85% not bad. I mean, it's a tiny little company, but when you see it on the tape up, 85%, it makes an impression. Another one, EPAM. This is the name of the company is EPAM Systems. They gave guidance this morning, evidently, and it was pretty ugly. Um, they gave guidance for the second quarter and the third quarter on revenues. This is listed as an information technology company, so not one of the biggies, but certainly big enough. And substantially smaller this morning, 222.90 down 36.72, or 14% on that lower guidance. Excuse me. Okay, as far as the rest of the markets, the grains are slightly higher. Energy, I told you, is higher. The metals are lower, but there's a little bit of a divergence here. We have the gold down 14 and a half and the silver down 32 cents. But we have platinum up $12.30 and palladium up 18.80, and copper is up a penny. Copper is working its way towards the apex with lower highs and higher lows since that over 30% decline from the all-time high at 520 all the way down to 313. We have some economic news coming, but it doesn't come. First one is the IHS Market Service PMI. That doesn't come until 9:45. At 10 o'clock, we have factory orders. And also at 10 o'clock, we have ISM, non-manufacturing index. So it's kind of unusual to see stuff on Mondays, but with the shortened week last week, I guess they pushed it all together. All right, everyone. I'll be back later on, and hope everyone had a good weekend.